بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful.
والشمس وضحاها والقمر إذا تلاها والنهار إذا جلاها والليل إذا يغشاها والسماء وما بناها والأرض وما طحاها ونفس وما سواها فألهمها فجورها وتقواها قد أفلح من زكاها وقد خاب من دساها.
By the sun and his brightness, and the moon when she followeth him, and the day when it revealeth him, and the night when it enshroudeth him, and the heaven and him who built it, and the earth and him who spread it, and a soul and him who perfected it, and inspired it with conscience of what is wrong for it and what is right for it. He is indeed successful who causeth it to grow, and he is indeed a failure who stunteth it.
كذبت ثمود بطغواها إذ انبعث أشقاها فقال لهم رسول الله ناقة الله وسقياها فكذبوه فعقروها فدمدم عليهم ربهم بذنبهم فسواها ولا يخاف عقباها.
The tribe of Thamud denied the truth in their rebellious pride when the basest of them broke forth. And the Messenger of Allah said, "It is the she-camel of Allah, so let her drink." But they denied him, and they hamstrung her, so Allah doomed them for their sin and razed their dwellings. He dreadeth not the sequel of events.